Hi, I'm Jeff Kloska, Product Manager for the Sprinter Division here at Keystone RV. Sprinters embrace making the camping experience as easy as possible. With families in mind, we create our floor plans with comfort and convenience as two of our very top priorities. The new 372 BHS is no exception. I'm really excited to show you this one, so let's head inside and take a look. Built on a 100-inch wide-body platform, this Sprinter travel trailer offers overly spacious living areas, featuring 6-foot slide box heights and 7-foot ceilings. The benefit of the wide-body construction can be seen in the 4 to 5% more living space, wider hallways, and larger bathrooms. Starting in the main area of this coach, our dream kitchen features beautiful solid surface countertops, a 30-inch microwave, 21-inch stainless steel oven, and a 12-volt 16 cubic foot refrigerator, a huge pantry as well. Across from the kitchen, we feature an oversized dinette, which also offers additional storage space below. Directly across from your 50-inch TV, full reclining theater seats have a massage feature, accent lighting, and USB plugs built in for your added convenience. Right behind me, and what really makes this unit special, is the private bunkhouse in the back. Featuring a full-size trifold sofa and plenty of sleeping space, this room transforms from a place of rest to a family game room that has plenty of room for the entire family. Behind the TV space, there is a hidden storage to keep blankets, pillows, or all your family's favorite games. Additionally, there is plenty of closet space for all your kids' clothes. This unique bathroom is accessible right as you walk into the coach, and you can even get to it when all your slides are in. The residential shower with beautiful surround and linen closet are just some of the small details we've made sure to include to round out this bathroom. The bedroom comes standard with a king bed and a wardrobe with an actual laundry chute. On the outside, you'll be thrilled to find a grill and chill kitchen. This is perfect for those nicer days when you're out at your campsite. The unit comes equipped with SolarFlex 200, but you can easily upgrade to the 400i package if you would like. Thanks to the one-touch 4-point leveling system with return hookup memory, setting up your camper at the campsite has never been easier. Thanks so much for watching. For more on this floor plan, make sure you check out the link in the description box below. To be notified on more content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell symbol at the top right corner. We've got tons of walkthrough content and more in-depth videos on everything you want to know about Keystone and the Sprinter brand. We'll see you next time.